Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that no sound plays after connecting your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE with your phone. What I do recommend doing at first is to check if you do have the correct output set in your phone. As you can see here, I do have my device. Wait a moment. I need to unlock it. And now scroll down so that you can see the control panel. Scroll it further. And now, as you can see, here we do see a lot of cool things. But here, for example, if you do have some music, tap this device icon. And if you do have this phone here set, tap the Galaxy Buds. This should help you. If it didn't help you, what I do recommend doing is to charge your earbuds up to 100% to make sure that they are working. If they are not working, if they are working and you are sure that they are working, but if they didn't help you, you have to forget them from your device, restart phone, restart your earbuds, and factory reset your earbuds. This should help you. If it didn't help you, you have to contact device support because your device may be just broken, unfortunately. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.